It helps a lot for bringing these workers because we are now well informed and yeah. The big challenge for me is adjusting to the slower lifestyle of the island. As back home, everything is always fast moving, but here it's more laid back. Missing the family, it took them time to adapt. Stay mentally strong and find comfort in the simplicity of island life. For an advice, if you are planning to come and work in the Cook Islands, I would say expect the unexpected. You have to come with open mind and strong sense of responsibility.